Welcome to Mr. Feels Concept Studio. Today, we're launching a brand new episode right here on my podcast. Stay tuned because you don't want to miss the gist, the news, and the fresh information I've got lined up for you. Let's get into it.
This podcast setup is stunning. Be honest, how were you able to create something like this at Feels Concept Studio?
Truth is, I used AI.
AI, that's impressive. What exactly did you do?
I gave my raw podcast episode to AI, and it did the magic. Pulled out the most viral moments in seconds.
That's a game changer. So someone wants to learn or create content like this, you're saying you can actually teach them, right? How to do this too?
Yes, of course, why not?
Exactly.
Whether you want us to produce it for you or you want to learn the process yourself,
Feels Concept Studio is your backstage pass to next level content. Feels Concept Studio, I don't just create. I also show creators, podcasters, and storytellers exactly how to use these tools.
this isn't editing. This is AI creativity at a level I didn't know existed.
I had no idea AI could do this to a podcast until I tried it. It wasn't just editing, it was creativity on another level.
Enroll into Feels Concept's viral AI video editing class and learn how to create and make this kind of video by yourself.